Welcome. Hi, welcome to First World Problems. This is not all one trip. This is 3 trips. Maybe this one I can hang myself with. It's like playing Skyrim. 5 minutes into the game and it's like, I must. I bought some things. Listen, the house needed a couple things, and so did I. Yeah. I could model them over my pants. Would you like to see some over the pants panties? There's another flower in here somewhere. I swear there is. Ah, right there. You see it? Can you see the flower? There's a lot of clothes. Let's do Ross. Can you see my granny panties through it? Probably not, because it's black. Oh, yeah. I already have a pair. But the ones I have, the buttons are a different color. $228 for these pants, and I paid, this is a lot for Ross, $39.99. So I can keep these as a backup plan for when I stain those, or I can bring this pair in my bag, because I carry like a backpack, so that when I go out in white pants, and I stain them, which is every time, I can just grab the other pair, these ones, and switch them out. That's thinking. I could just not wear white pants and that'd be better thinking, but I'm not gonna be thinking that hard. Ah, yes, that's how I wanted this. Yeah, it's a real thrilling t-shirt, I love it. Okay, next. Most of the time I wear a black bra, but today for some reason, I'm like, oh, let's wear a white bra. What do you think? I'm really iffy about this one. I don't know if I like it. Ooh, this looks better. Like maybe if I tuck it into my granny panties, it'll look better. Get in there, shirt. Oh yeah. I wonder at what point saying granny panties will become offensive. It's bound to happen. Everything's eventually going to be offensive. Oh, it's so itchy. Oh my gosh, the tag. Oh, that's super cute and really itchy. Oh no, I don't want to return this. I don't wanna. My skin is way too sensitive for this shirt. I should have known just by touching it that my skin would have been like, oh hell no, girl, put that back. But look at it. Oh, it's so pretty. I just love how pretty it is. It's gonna be really sad returning this. I'm just gonna hold the microphone. So this shirt is another brand name one. It's Free People. And if you know Free People, it ain't free, people. It's really expensive. Just a plain shirt with sparkles. I really like the grandmother's curtain look on the sleeves. I think that's so cool. All right, moving on to something a little more sporty, because I totally do sports. Wouldn't it be cool if I also got the matching like Adidas shorts like these that look identical to the ones that I just had, but these are Adidas and they're also different material. Yeah, I could rock this look. I'm pretty comfortable with really boring colors, so this is right up my alley. You don't even have to wear panties with these. They just come with underwear. These are not my underwear. These are the built-in underwear that comes with these. You just gotta kind of kick your way into them. So I went to the bathroom and took pictures of my butt and discovered that there's a defect. Like one side bunches, the fabric bunches. So these are going back. This little tiny blue skirt, it might be too tiny. It's kind of like doing this bunch thing here. It's a junior small, I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, that's kind of cute. It even works with the shirt. This I like, cause it's more fun. Okay, so this, $6.99 for this kind of bralette thing. Some people wear them as shirts, especially here in Florida, because it gets really hot. The back is why I bought this, because I just think it's so cool. I could definitely see myself wearing this at 38 years old out in public. For sure, hell yeah. Yeah! Socks. Dish gloves. I needed more, so perfect, $4. A whole set of bath towels. I have been looking for combat style boots forever. Like every time I go, I'm too late, the season's over, the size I need is gone, but not this time. These were $105. Normally, I think they were $280 or $250, something like that. And they got this little buckle on the side and they're really comfortable because this brand is just super comfortable. And sandals, $130, really comfy. Shoes gotta bend. If the shoe doesn't bend, the shoe's not comfy, in my opinion. Sunstone, these were 50 bucks. It's over after these two. We made it to the end. Woo! I only had one, and it's like over a decade old, bleached, just nasty and stained and gross. So I got 2 beach towels.